Do you fucking see what I see? This is a clear indigenousness of the rabbit and his youngling. And you motherfuckers are running away. Okay, run away like the cowards you are, motherfucker. Run away. Run, it's okay. Oops. Anyways, this is planet Earth, the most beautiful thing that anyone could have ever created. Now, as you can see, Mother Nature is clearly off on a vacation type shit like that. Anyways, we will be doing the picking of the forest. Yes. Burn, Mother Nature. Burn. You all burn. Burn. You all will die. Die. And beneath the hands of the rebels. That is the power of human nature. To destroy, to recreate, and to build. It is? Hell yes, it is. But there's one thing we can do to save it. What can we do? We can appreciate the fireworks. Go and let your colors rise. They can go as I shoot across the sky.